All right, in our last video, we looked at circles and how to pull the information away from the standard form and find the center, find the radius. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take that information, we're going to pull that same information off the standard form of the circle, and we're actually going to use a graph, and we're going to graph that circle. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. So like for instance, for this problem, we would say, okay, the center is at 3, -5, and the radius is the square root of that number on the right side of the equal sign, which in this case would be 10. So essentially what we're going to do here is we're going to plot this point here. We're going to go 3, -5, and we're going to put a dot there, and then we're going to count 10. We're going to count 10 in this direction, so that's back to 0 would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we put a circle here. But know that on Khan Academy, all you have to do is grab the edge of the circle and pull it 10 units away from the center. And so you're going to get a circle that looks something like this. Yeah. Okay, you don't actually have to draw the circle. It's just like one of the first comm practice we did. It would, we said, here's the center, put the center on that dot, and then pull the circle out to find the radius, or to match the radius that it said. So let's take a look here. I got 3 problems for you. So in this problem, the center is at 3, -4, and the radius is at the square root of 16. So square root of 16, that'd be 4. So the center, again, remember, this is opposite here too. Remember that. That's opposite here too because of the standard form and having the minus, and then the minuses were gone when we looked at the center. So 3, -4 would put me about right here. And then the radius of 4, I'm going to try to just use my circle here. Radius of 4 would be, oh, that's not working. I'm just going to hand draw it. Radius of 4, excuse me, would be, that's the edge of a circle, that's the edge of a circle, this is the edge of a circle, and, no, sorry, this would be the edge of the circle on that side, and then this would be the edge of the circle on this side. So you just kind of, I like to get 4 points. If I'm doing freehand, I like to get 4 points, and that's not the best, but again, on the con practices, you'll be able to do it much easier than I can by hand. Oh, and by the way, you'd be done after that. Okay, the center here is going to be -7, -2, and the radius is going to be the square root of 4, which is 2. So we go back to -7, puts us there, down to -2, that puts us there. And then the center of 2, radius of 2, would have a circle something like that. That kind of that inner circle. Try and get rid of this right here. That's not what we want. And then that would be the circle. All right, and then the last one, same thing. So we're going to plot the center. The center's at 1, -2. The radius is at the square root of 25, which is 5. And so we go 1, -2, and that puts a dot right there. And the center, a radius of 5 would put a dot here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that put a dot there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that put a dot there. And again, this is how I do it if I'm doing freehand. But you kind of get the idea, and a dot there. So you guys don't have to do this because they have a computer program that will match these circles for you, or draw these circles for you. But again, on Khan Academy, you're gonna drag that center over to where it needs to go, then grab that edge and pull it out until it's the radius that you need, and then you just hit, submit, and it'll give you the answers. So anyway, hope that helped. Good luck.